In this tutorial, we'll overview how to set up the teacher contact info block for your D2L site and courses. In an effort to improve student support around online learning courses, one of our strategies is to ensure that every eSchool23 course has a teacher contact info block on the right-hand side of the course. And this has been popular over the last number of years in Moodle. We get positive feedback from teachers, counselors from the local high schools, and they know they can confidently respond to students, with, what do you mean you can't get a hold of your online teacher? Just go to the right side of the course and their support times are listed there. Or you don't know how to book a test? Well, you can just go into your online course and you'll see the information posted on the right-hand side there. Everybody can speak confidently about where students can find that FAQ type info. So here we are. How do we add these blocks to D2L courses? Quick context to explain why we do it this way is asking and digging around. There seem to be three common solutions to this. Number one, the programs could use the D2L's custom Your Instructor widget, and it's really nice and easy to use, but unfortunately the summary is simply text, not HTML. So tables and or links are not supported. And so most of what we're trying to do end up in tables or links to booking software, stuff like that. So it's not a great fit for our purpose. Two, some programs have the admin maintain the power to adjust home pages and widgets, and it's great for consistency, but we want to be able to allow teachers to adjust the widget when they have new ways of connecting or try different things out, adjustments in schedule, whatever. Easier for everybody if they just maintain it that way. And the third option, the one we're using, is to build sample widgets and then give teachers the ability to copy them in their own courses, make a duplicate, and then the teachers can adjust their personal copies of these widgets. Using this strategy involves the admin clarifying what they expect for the layout of courses, but teachers able to, as long as they're living within that layout plan, make adjustments and keep things up to date. So we're going with option 3, and here's how it's done. First of all, some preparation must be done by the super admins at the site org level. Quickly, we can organize a course homepage template, the default of what you would like the teachers to organize their courses like, make it the default, and ensure it's shared. And next, you can produce a teacher contact info widget, a nice layout for teachers to modify later. Make sure it's shared as well. And lastly, we need to adjust the roles and permissions so that teachers can create, edit home pages and widgets within their courses. And now we're ready to move on. So at this point, the teachers are ready to roll things out and do their magic with this. So this part for the teachers. Choose one of your courses, go to Course Admin, then to Home Pages. And here you'll see the default home page that the admin set up earlier. Now you can't edit the default, so you're going to have to make a copy of it first. This is the copy of the default. Click on the name and adjust the name as something like your own personal homepage. Let's say Brent's course homepage. And then hit Save and Close. Now we'll move over to widgets. So we'll do the same thing with a widget. So jump to the widgets and then to custom widgets. Then make a copy of this teacher contact info. That is the default one. And this new copy you've made is your personal one. So we'll want to name it something personal like, say, Brent's teacher info. And then save and close. Now, we have our copies in place. So let's jump back to the home pages. Click on the name of your new personalized homepage, and now you can edit it. So we'll edit the layout. Scroll down to the widget section, find the teacher contact info widget, and then you can delete it using the X in the top right. Again, we're getting rid of the default, and we're going to add your personal one. So next we add widget, and then we can choose your custom widget. Save and close, and don't forget this, it's so easy to forget, go up here and select your custom homepage to be the active one, and then apply. Make it the active one from now on. So at this point, you have your new home page, you have your new widget in place, and all that's left to be done is to customize this new widget. Now, this can be done a few ways. You can go into the widget area, or maybe easier, just find your new widget in its place and use the pull down and edit this widget. You've already set the name, so let's go to the content part. And you have a nice little HTML editor here for you to make your widget all useful and pretty. Of course, you can go to the HTML mode and quickly copy in any previously built content along with its formatting. And once you have what you want, save and close, and you're ready to go. Remember, if in the future you have to adjust this widget in any way, you can just come back to your home page, and right here you can edit it again and update it as needed. Just save and close when you're done. And that's that.